Welcome to another episode of Oliver's Get About Cooking, where today we'll be making some super sea bass. First off, you'll need to make some paste. So you get 3 cloves of garlic, and you get some smoked paprika, about even, I don't know. A couple of grinds of some salt and some pepper, and a drop of olive oil. Once it's a paste, it will be ready to be added to the fish. Now, once you've got your fish, you want to grab a spoonful. It doesn't have to be exactly a spoonful, but still just spread it all over, scale side down the fish. It's just covered in the nice paprika mash paste. Next, lift your fish up and put it onto a well-oiled baking tray. Right, so we're going to make a salad dressing. Now, I'm going to do with a mustard and even tablespoonful. Get 1 tablespoonful of apple cider vinegar. 1, and then some olive oil. 1 tablespoon of that onto a spoon. And another 1, and then just give that a bit of a mix. We'll go and put this in for cooking. Temperature is on the yellow zone if you're cooking this in a Roccbox. So, got the fish, it's all nice and cooked, so I'm going to get some for this. I'm just going to tip this over my salad.
Right, well, let's have a bit of a taste test on Oliver then.
So outside, and we're just going to eat some of this sea bass.
It's really, really nice. Crispy skin. Beautiful, beautiful sea bass. Yeah.
And for the salad and the seasoning.
And that crunch. That beautiful crispy skin. All done in the Roccbox. A lovely summer recipe. What do you think, Oliver?
Yeah, it's good. And the salad with seasoning. Good. Yeah, 10 out of 10.
There you go, that is the approval of the sea bass with smoked paprika and garlic paste and the salad with the mustard dressing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.